Hello everyone, this is Sanbong Kim from GoodTask. On this video, I'll explain details about sort options. Tasks inside a list is shown in order by sort options. You can set default sort options that runs throughout the app. You can also set sort option per list. Let's see details inside sort options. You can choose between due date, priority, list order, and tag. You can also choose custom and set it as you want. These options have following values next to initial one. Due date has priority, list order, and manual sort afterwards. What this means is that the tasks are sorted first by due date, and if the due date is same, it'll be sorted by priority. If priority is the same, it'll be sorted by list order, and so on. Initial one will form section inside a list. Due date will have date name as section header. List order will have list name as section header, and so on. If you choose tag, you'll get a menu to edit tags. If you keep this empty, it'll sort with all the tags available inside the app. If you add specific tags, it'll be sorted by those tags only. Inside custom menu, you can choose alphabet order, alert, and various reverse orders. You can mix and match to make it work as you need. Below sort options, you'll see order. When you choose due date, you'll see due date and undated. If you have separate calendar events option on, you'll also see calendar events. Editing this order will let the tasks show in that order. You can edit sort options inside Edit List page for each smart list. Here, you can choose default, which will follow default sort options. You can edit default directly on this page too. Or you can set list's own sort options. You can edit this directly on More button inside a list too. Inside Settings, Sort, you can set default sort options. Also, there are additional options regarding sort inside a list. You can choose to separate calendar events by its own, or integrate it with the tasks. You can separate completed tasks in list view at the very bottom, or see it in completion date order. You can choose to put no time tasks at the bottom of timed task or at the top. When you drag and drop a task inside a list, values will be changed according to the sort options. Dragging task in default settings will change due date accordingly. You can set drag and drop options inside settings. You can check off task to task, subtask to task, subtask to list options. If you check don't change list option, drag and drop will not change the list it's in when list order is not the initial sort option. You can read help page that describes details about sort options. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks, and get it done with GoodTask.